One cat is moving before you. You just look at it. It will also look at you, definitely. If you throw any piece of mutton, it takes and play with you, daily play with you. Similarly, you are playing with your mind. At first, you use your mind to play with it. Therefore, the mind is playing with you. The mind is chattering with you. And at the same time, you are cherishing your body. And you are fashioning your body with all types of dresses and all that. Okay. So, what I am going to tell, you yourself only spoiling your body and mind. Therefore, the body and mind will not allow you to be calm. They will play with you, definitely. Now, when the mind is chattering continuously, it gives you more strain and stress. To control it, you are searching outside means and methods of meditation. So who has brought all these problems? You yourself only brought all these problems. If you keep the cat, if you had kept the cat away without looking at, you wouldn't have had all these problems, Therefore, now I am going to tell the solution. Keep your mind and body away as objects, witnessing them as objects. Daily do practice witnessing them as objects. Only witness. And be still. Don't give any opinion on every thought what you are getting. Just witness the thought. Just witness the body. Keeping them away. That's all. It will be